In this video I will show you that how you can use direct selection tool. It's very easy. For example, if we create a shape with rectangle, and then I will fill this shape with this color, and then direct selection tool. In this shape we have 4 anchor points, like the first anchor point, second top right, top left, bottom right, bottom left. So if we select direct selection tool, with direct selection tool we can select one anchor point, like this is highlighted now, you can see, and then I can change it's like this, see, then click yes. Then we can also move from here. So it's very easy. Direct selection tool, it's basically for the people like who want to design their own logos, like this one now you can see. And then if I press and hold Alt key, and if I drag and drop, you can see it will make a duplicate, then edit and transform, flip horizontal. So like this we can make logos. So direct selection tool is a very professional tool for logos, for logo designing. Thank you very much.